Yo, what's up? It's your boy. What's up in the back at another. And yeah, today I got Chick-fil-A. I got that new jalapeno ranch spicy chicken sandwich. I didn't get the grill. Okay, looks pretty decent so far. I got some jalapeno ranch just in case. We're gonna see what's to it. There you go. Take that bite. See. I like this sandwich, man. It's good. It's not super spicy. Got a nice little kick to it, man. I get this 9.5 out of 10. Yo, it's nice and crunchy. It's not fried too hard, so yeah. I definitely, hey, this is a good sandwich. I got jalapeno ranch. That makes it even better.